right, so we're just going to make a few more adjustments on this eagle. We're going to go to our adjustments palette down here, and we're going to go to invert, and we're going to clip this down to our eagle. All right, then we are going to put black and white and clip that down to our eagle. All right, so there we have that. And we're gonna add in some smoke and stuff. That's pretty cool looking. All right, so let's start painting in some smoke. You know, I do feel like there needs to be some curves on this eagle still too. Sorry, create a clipping mask. I just find him a little too dark. Maybe just kind of lessen the contrast on him. Actually, I feel like the highlights are okay. It's just his shadows are just a little too bright, or not bright enough. There we go. I think I kind of like that better. I feel like you can see him. He's popping off of the fog a little bit more, which I like. All right, so now I have these smoke brushes, which I got from Brush Easy. And I'm going to open them up here. Where would I have them? Smoke. Here we go, smoke brushes. All right. Oh, you know what? I don't want to use those ones. Those are not the right ones. Here we are, these ones, smoke brushes. All right. So we're going to just kind of play around with some of these. I like the look of this one. So bring this down. Sorry, the size of it down. And okay, so I need to make a few layers here. So let's group things. I like my layers to be organized, so I'm gonna group all the Dementors. Control G, Dementor, and we're gonna group our eagle. Control G and eagle. And now we're gonna make some paint layers here, and we're gonna call this smoke. All right, so we want our smoke to be white. So I'm just gonna get my brush to be white and start playing around with some of these. So I don't really want it to be over his face so much, but obviously I need it to be attaching to the eagle, so we'll do that one. Let's get a little bit like this one here. Make this one smaller. And I'm gonna actually put these all on separate layers, so we'll call this smoke 1, because then that way I can adjust them, change the shape or whatever if I need to. So just do that one. Control T on that. And I'm gonna warp it. So transform warp, because I want it to kind of go in line with the other one, but match up to his wand, if that makes sense. I think that's looking pretty good. There we go. Look at that. Let's just do a little bit more on that. Transform and warp. I think I just want this to kind of more fall in line with that smoke there. Oh, sorry, my computer's making noise. All right, so that looks pretty good. I'm going to actually warp this one. Control T and transform warp. I just want to try and get it off his face a little bit more. There we go. And then more. more smoke. Alright. Did I already use that one? No, I don't think so. Alright. So we'll do another layer again. Smoke. Oops. Smoke 3. And go back to my brush. There we go. All right. Smoke. 4. And let's see what my other, I bought a few, not bought, but I got a few different types of smoke ones from Brush Easy. So let's see what else we have here. What would that one look like? I don't know if that's the right. All right, I think I like these ones better, so I'll just stick with these. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that looks awesome. Okay, I like that. All right, and we'll just do a few more. And smoke 5. I'll go back to this one here and just put some like there. All right. So I feel like there's just a few more adjustments that need to be done on the eagle, but I'm going to group all the smoke because I really do like how that looks. So we'll go Control G and call this whole group smoke. All right, so go back in the eagle and I need to paint a little bit more, and we'll go back to my regular brush. Regular round brush. All right. And it's just, I'm noticing around his claws still there, the color's just still a little bit off. Yeah, right around in here in the feathers. So we're just I'm gonna go back in and get rid of some of that.